It's a beautiful fall morning, first morning of fall. The boys are helping me feed them water this morning. Good girl, Tiger Lily. She's eating it, Eli. Good job. Tonight we are planting apple trees. We bought two different ones. One is a Granny Smith and one is a Honeycrisp. So we're planting them. Here's the back of the house, and then coming over this way along the woods line here. We have this like little open area where there's no trees. We're gonna mow that and somehow plant the trees in this area. The digging has begun. You're mowing with Daddy's cedar?
Yeah.
All right, babe, I'm gonna go and grab some horse manure to put in the pile there so that the tree has some nutrients. Tiger Lily, I gotta take some of your poop. Is that okay? Look at all this beautiful poop we can scoop up. It's perfect. Hey, girl. Got a really handsome helper with me tonight.
I was gonna help my dad.
You were? Well, now you're helping your mom. Good job.
Oh, I stepped on horse poop.
It's all right.
Okay, did you get that much poop?
Yep.
You
Put it in
did?
there. Good job. All right, we got our poop. Now we're heading back over to the house. Okay, so I was taking care of Levi, and James already has both trees in the ground. He's got the horse manure in. Now he's putting the dirt in. We've got tree 1 there, tree 2 over there, and Elias, he was wearing a Native American headdress that my grandfather gave him. He loves that thing. He wears it all the time. Anyway, so tree planting is going well.
Daddy, look what I have to help.
Yeah, there you go. Bulldoze the dirt right
Bulldoze it, Eli. Bulldoze it.
Alright, we got this door built. I might add a little more trim pieces to it later, but for now, that's the way it's going to sit. And right now I'm drilling holes for the hardware that we bought off Amazon, I think for like 40 bucks. So. Okay, so I got those on. Then I also cut a little channel in here, just with a circular saw. It'll right along here, so you can't hit the door in or out. So it'll ride along this channel here as the door slides. So just did that with a circular saw. Put up this rail for the sliding barn door style bathroom door, and it wasn't too bad because I got header here, a 2x4 there, so those are pretty solid. I had to use drywall anchors here and there, which they sent. That one took really well. This one was didn't take, but I put a little I just put a bunch of ties in there and screwed it down. It actually did tighten up, so.
Good.
I think I just gotta put the stops on for the door, and then I think I should be able to put the door up.
We just carried the door in, and now James is gonna put it on the hinges, or the rail, whatever you call it.
Perfect.
It is perfect.
Perfect, Dad. I love it, Dad.
Thanks, buddy.
Slide it again.
Slide it again.
That looks great.
Can I slide it?
That was easy. So you just pick it up and put it on there.
Can I slide?
Yeah, I gotta put some stops on there. It actually, the carpet, it's snagging the carpet down this way a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna worry about it or not.
No, I won't.
Push it back over, Dad.
I don't know if it's this.
Push it back over.
That looks magnificent.
At least it's quieter than, ooh, that almost fell off.
No, leave it like that.
So I'll put some stops on it here.
Now James is getting together the stopper so the door doesn't roll off the rail. That's good.
Yay!
Boys, is Daddy doing a good job?
Yay!
Perfect. Perfect.
Go, Mommy.
Hey Elias, what are you looking at here, buddy? A deer? Who shot the deer?
Daddy, it's a bud.
It is a butt. What are we gonna do with the deer, Eli? Are we gonna eat the deer?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you shoot it with?
Crossbow.
Crossbow?
So
And
I've gotten one with a compound bow, a crossbow,
Mommy, the deer
and I'm gonna get one with a
is
muzzle loader,
squishy.
and then a rifle.
Hey, Daddy, the deer is
Good.
squishy.
It is squishy.
how far was your shot? How many
Eva,
yards?
Put your finger in there.
I think it was only about
Eva,
22,
put your
23,
finger
because
in
I
there.
aimed with my 30 and shot
Put
her
your
real
finger
high.
in there.
Okay.
Put your finger in there.
No,
Get some
don't.
blood
All right.
on there.
Eli, can you say night night?
Night night.
All right, babe. What are we doing today?
We're gonna straighten up and organize the barn. We're gonna deer hunt later tonight, and we're gonna have a big fire.
So we are doing what we literally should have done forever ago. Our barn is an absolute disaster. We have gotten a lot of stuff out of here, but we're finally getting the remainder of the stuff out of here, burning what we don't need, obviously throwing away what we don't want or use or need, and then organizing. We bought these nice shelves, so we're gonna put it all together. So we've made a lot of progress in the barn. This is our first pile of trash that we're gonna burn. So we'll get it going here. It is burning. We have made so much progress. So this was a bunch of trash and tools and just miscellaneous items on the back of that truck. We got it all cleaned off. And now we're gonna put all the hay bales in the back of that because we're not gonna get this thing fixed where it can drive within the next couple of months by the time our horse eats the hay. So we're gonna put it up there so we have more space. And then over here, we got all of our farm tools and equipment and miscellaneous things organized on those shelves. So it's looking much, much better. There's a John Deere tractor. So we will feed her this hay first over the next couple of months, and then up in our hay loft up there is tons of hay over top of all those boards. So then that'll be what we use throughout the whole winter, and then we're still gonna have some left over. Boys, you ready?
Yes.
Look at all this stuff we gotta put away.
When I yelled at her,
Hey, Tiger Lily.
when I yelled at her, she ran and she
Hey,
heard
girl.
me. So she ran over.
I know, she heard you calling her name, Eli.
She looks pretty.
Tiger Lily, you eating hay? And now they're over here in the horse pasture running around and playing. It is the cutest thing. They're way over there. There they go. Here they come.
I went really far away, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. You're so cool,
You
dude.
couldn't even catch up.
I know. Here comes Levi. He's coming.
I'm gonna go get him.
Go get him.
I'm gonna go back to him.
Hi, Levi.
You know?
So right now we are actually in the back part of our pasture, like back in the corner. And this is the part of the pasture that we haven't cleaned out. So there's like some trees that we knocked down and just a bunch of stuff in here that we eventually need to clean out and plant some grass seed for Tiger Lily. But
Keep coming.
this is the very back of the pasture. It's really pretty this time of the year because all the fall leaves are falling. It's beautiful. What you doing, Eli?
I'm going up there.
Okay,
Go up the hill.
go ahead, dude.
It leads us to a cave.
Okay, yeah, we can go up to the gate.
Come on.
Come in, Levi.
Yeah.
Come in, big guy.
Down.
Yeah. All right, so we're taking advantage of a really nice day today, and we're up on the roof caulking all of the seams on all the windows before winter comes. That way the house is really well sealed. So I got to put caulk in all of the seams like this around the whole window, and then I also need to caulk this. That way rain does not bounce and get up in those cracks. So that's what I'm working on today.
Good job.
Thanks, babe.
Happy birthday, honey.
It is my birthday. Thank you. So I have done a lot of caulking on this house, but I haven't caulked the exterior windows yet. So I'll have to see how this goes on. Oh, this caulk's easy.
Yeah, honey, because you're so good at it. That's why she's doing it, not me. She's expert at caulking. She's the expert caulker.
You're making that sound like something weird. It'd be a lot easier if I didn't have a big pregnant belly, but
You pregnant? I'm just kidding.
So one thing of caulk got all of this window done, and then that part there, and then this side here. I'll show you where we kind of put it on. Here in the crevice, if you can see there where it is, in that there. So one thing of caulk only did that, and we have to do the entire second floor. So needless to say, we do not have enough caulk. We have like maybe 5 or 6 tubes. We probably need 20. So we'll get done what we can today. Now we are over here doing this side of the house. Fortunately, there's only one window on this side. This is the window coming out from the boys' room. Now we are over here on the back of the house doing these 3 windows. These 3 windows are part of the cathedral ceiling in our master bedroom. There's the chimney, and it is such a nice day outside. It's absolutely beautiful. Sunny, mid-70s. It's pretty. We got all the caulking done on the second floor of the house. So everything you see on the front here, this side where there's a window, the back side with all the cathedral ceiling small windows, and then obviously the other side of the house as well, where the garage is. And I just love our front porch in the fall with all of our decorations. It just looks so nice.